Guys, in today's video I'm going to be going over the Icon 2.5s that I got and the relocation brackets that they actually need and why you'll need them. So these are the relocation brackets that they give you, and the main reason why you're going to be needing these actually is if we go under here, I already installed the 2.5s, but right here it's doing some major rubbing. So here's your sway bar, and right here you got your 2.5s, your coils, and it rubs right there. So in those relocation brackets we're going to be moving these over, so then you get the room right here. We're going to want to take off the skid plate belly pan there, so we'll have to remove that, and then we'll be able to get some room to get in there and relocate that. These are all going to be 12 millimeters, so just loosen those all up. We got 4, and then we'll be able to move it forward and remove it. Skid plate belly pan removed. From Icon it says to remove both sides 14 millimeter from this side of the sway bar all the way to the other side to remove it, and then we'll reinstall the hardware. With that completely off now on both sides, you want to find your relocation bracket, and you're still going to use these original bolts. These are going to go in this one, so that one has a room, and then that one is going to be your new bolts you get. Like after you got your bracket in, the original bolts goes in those holes, and then we're going to install it on both sides, and then we're going to put this back, and then we'll be able to, you see how we can move it now, and we will relocate that sway bar from touching, give it some room. After we got the relocation bracket installed, we're going to use the supplied hardware from Icon. This is also a 14 millimeter, and we'll be able to just relocate the sway bar into the new position we need and install it. Our sway bar relocation bracket here, and we moved it over, so that's where the original was, and it moved it over to here. And as you can see now, we have room. Before it was rubbing right here pretty bad, so definitely made a big difference. My Icon 2.5s that I actually got these used, and the person prior to me did not have these relocation brackets, so you can see it really did a toll on that bottom coil right there because it was rubbing the whole time. So with the relocation bracket here, pushed it back pretty much almost at about an inch away, so it made a pretty big difference right there. And I did know when I'd go off-roading that it would be squeaking a lot, just rubbing it, and it just make this really annoying squeaky sound. So it's going to be nice to have that relocated and just all dialed in. So I'm not really sure if it'll help out with Fox or Kings, but definitely for Icon it's something that you really need to get. Well, that concludes today's video. Thanks for checking it out. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.